AFCI breakers and knob and tube wiring present a unique challenge. It's crucial to understand why these two elements are incompatible. The fundamental issue lies in the electrical system design of knob and tube wiring, particularly the presence of shared neutrals. AFCI breakers are designed to detect arc faults, which are dangerous electrical conditions that can lead to fires. These breakers work by monitoring the current flow in a circuit. If the current flow deviates from the expected pattern, it indicates an arc fault, and the breaker trips, interrupting the circuit. However, knob and tube wiring systems often utilize shared neutral wires between multiple circuits. This means that the neutral wire serves as the return path for current from more than one circuit. This configuration interferes with the AFCI breaker's ability to accurately monitor current flow and detect arc faults. The shared neutral creates imbalances in the current readings, causing the AFCI breaker to trip unnecessarily or, conversely, failing to trip when a genuine arc fault occurs. Therefore, installing AFCI breakers on knob and tube wiring is not only ineffective, but can also create potentially hazardous situations. A complete rewire is generally required to address the incompatibility between AFCI breakers and knob and tube wiring. This involves replacing the existing knob and tube wiring with modern wiring that includes a dedicated neutral wire for each circuit. This ensures that the AFCI breakers can function correctly and provide the intended protection against arc faults. The process of rewiring typically involves removing the old knob and tube wiring, installing new cables, and connecting them to new electrical panels and outlets. It's a significant undertaking that requires the expertise of a qualified electrician. While a complete rewire is the ideal solution for ensuring electrical safety and code compliance, there are alternative safety measures that can be implemented in homes with knob and tube wiring. These measures do not replace the need for a rewire, but can help mitigate some of the risks associated with outdated wiring. One important safety measure is the installation of smoke detectors and carbon monoxide detectors. These devices provide early warning of fires and carbon monoxide leaks, allowing occupants to evacuate the premises safely. Another safety measure is the installation of grounded outlets in areas where electrical appliances are used. Grounded outlets provide a path for stray current to flow to ground, reducing the risk of electric shock. It's also essential to ensure that all electrical appliances and devices used in the home are in good working condition and properly grounded. Regular electrical inspections are crucial for identifying potential hazards and ensuring that the electrical system is functioning safely. A qualified electrician can inspect the wiring, outlets, and other electrical components to identify any issues that need to be addressed. During the inspection, the electrician can also provide recommendations for improving electrical safety and bringing the system up to code. When communicating with homeowners about the need for a rewire, it's essential to be clear, concise, and professional. Explain the reasons why AFCI breakers are incompatible with knob and tube wiring and the potential risks associated with outdated wiring. Provide a detailed explanation of the rewiring process, including the scope of work, timeline, and cost. It's also helpful to provide homeowners with options for financing the rewiring project. Many homeowners may be hesitant to invest in a complete rewire due to the cost. However, it's important to emphasize the long-term benefits of rewiring, including increased safety, improved energy efficiency, and enhanced property value. Explain that rewiring can also help to reduce the risk of electrical fires, which can cause significant damage and loss. It's also important to address any concerns or misconceptions that homeowners may have about the rewiring process. Some homeowners may be worried about the disruption to their lives during the rewiring process. Explain that the electrician will take steps to minimize disruption and protect the home from damage. It's also helpful to provide homeowners with references from previous clients who have had their homes rewired. When providing estimates for rewiring projects, it's essential to be transparent and provide a detailed breakdown of the costs. This includes the cost of materials, labor, and permits. It's also helpful to provide homeowners with options for different levels of rewiring, such as a partial rewire or a complete rewire. Allow homeowners to consider the information provided and make an informed decision about whether or not to proceed with the rewiring project. If the homeowner chooses not to pursue a rewire, document your recommendations and the reasons why they were not accepted. This documentation can help to protect you from liability in the event of an electrical fire or other incident. Building a relationship based on trust and expertise is essential for successful communication with homeowners. Provide clear and helpful advice, and be patient and understanding with their concerns. By taking the time to educate homeowners about the risks associated with outdated wiring and the benefits of rewiring, you can help them make informed decisions that protect their homes and families. It is crucial to explain that AFCI breakers are designed to prevent electrical fires by detecting arc faults, which are dangerous electrical conditions that can ignite flammable materials. However, these breakers require a dedicated neutral wire for each circuit to function properly. Knob and tube wiring, on the other hand, often uses shared neutral wires between multiple circuits, which interferes with the AFCI breaker's ability to accurately detect arc faults. Furthermore, emphasize that compliance with code requirements is essential for insurance purposes and the overall safety of the home. Insurance companies may require homeowners to bring their electrical systems up to code in order to maintain coverage. Failure to comply with code requirements can result in denial of coverage in the event of an electrical fire or other incident. Providing written documentation or estimates to support your recommendations can help to avoid misunderstandings and ensure that the homeowner is fully informed about the scope of work and the associated costs. The estimate should include a detailed breakdown of the materials, labor, and permits required for the rewiring project. If the homeowner chooses not to pursue a rewire, respect their decision and document your recommendations and the reasons why they were not accepted. This documentation can help to protect you from liability in the event of an electrical fire or other incident. Remember to maintain a professional and respectful demeanor throughout the communication process. Even if the homeowner is resistant to your recommendations, it is important to remain patient and understanding. By building a relationship based on trust and expertise, you can increase the likelihood that the homeowner will make an informed decision that protects their home and family. The importance of electrical safety cannot be overstated. Outdated wiring systems, such as knob and tube wiring, pose a significant risk of electrical fires and other hazards. By taking the time to educate homeowners about these risks and the benefits of rewiring, you can help them make informed decisions that protect their homes and families. It is important to stress that compliance with code requirements is not just a matter of following regulations, but a matter of ensuring the safety and well-being of the occupants of the home. The code requirements for AFCI breakers are designed to protect against electrical fires, and failure to comply with these requirements can have serious consequences. To elaborate on electrical safety measures, let's examine specific examples. Firstly, consider the installation of smoke detectors. These life-saving devices should be placed on every level of the home and outside of sleeping areas. Regularly test and maintain these detectors to ensure they are functioning correctly. Secondly, grounded outlets are essential for protecting against electric shock. These outlets provide a path for stray current to flow to ground, reducing the risk of electrocution. Ensure that all outlets in areas where electrical appliances are used are grounded. Thirdly, regular electrical inspections are crucial for identifying potential hazards and ensuring that the electrical system is functioning safely. A qualified electrician can inspect the wiring, outlets, and other electrical components to identify any issues that need to be addressed. Furthermore, avoid overloading circuits. Overloading a circuit can cause the wires to overheat and potentially start a fire. Be mindful of the number of appliances and devices plugged into each circuit. Lastly, never attempt to repair electrical problems yourself unless you are a qualified electrician. Electrical work can be dangerous, and it is best left to the professionals. It's crucial to present a clear and concise explanation, using specific examples and illustrations if necessary. For example, you could show the homeowner diagrams of knob and tube wiring and modern wiring, highlighting the differences in their configurations. You could also provide examples of how shared neutral wires can interfere with the operation of AFCI breakers. When discussing the cost of a rewire, it is important to be transparent and provide a detailed breakdown of the expenses involved. This includes the cost of materials, labor, and permits. It is also helpful to provide homeowners with options for different levels of rewiring, such as a partial rewire or a complete rewire. Offering transparency in your pricing can help to build trust with the homeowner and increase the likelihood that they will choose your company for the rewiring project. In addition to providing written documentation or estimates, it is also helpful to provide homeowners with references from previous clients who have had their homes rewired. Hearing from other homeowners who have gone through the same process can help to alleviate any concerns or anxieties that they may have about the rewiring project. Building a relationship based on trust and expertise is essential for successful communication with homeowners. Take the time to listen to their concerns and answer their questions thoroughly. Be patient and understanding, even if they do not immediately agree with your recommendations. By building a strong relationship with the homeowner, you can increase the likelihood that they will make an informed decision that protects their home and family. The potential hazards of outdated wiring cannot be overstated. Knob and tube wiring, in particular, is prone to deterioration and damage over time. The insulation on the wires can become brittle and crack, exposing the bare conductors. This can create a risk of electric shock or fire. Furthermore, knob and tube wiring is not designed to handle the electrical demands of modern appliances and devices. Overloading the system can cause the wires to overheat and potentially start a fire. Therefore, it is essential to address outdated wiring systems to ensure the safety of the home and its occupants. Inform the homeowner that a complete rewire is the only solution to meet the code requirement for AFCI breakers. Explain that a partial rewire is not sufficient because it would not address the underlying problem of shared neutral wires. The complete rewire will involve replacing all of the existing knob and tube wiring with modern wiring that includes a dedicated neutral wire for each circuit. This will ensure that the AFCI breakers can function properly and provide the intended protection against arc faults. Discuss other safety measures that can be implemented with knob and tube wiring, such as smoke and carbon monoxide detectors and grounded outlets. While these measures do not replace the need for a rewire, they can help to mitigate some of the risks associated with outdated wiring. Smoke detectors provide early warning of fires, while carbon monoxide detectors provide early warning of carbon monoxide leaks. Grounded outlets provide a path for stray current to flow to ground, reducing the risk of electric shock. It is also important to ensure that all electrical appliances and devices used in the home are in good working condition and properly grounded. Explain your flat rate pricing system and how it benefits the homeowner in terms of transparency and predictability. A flat rate pricing system allows homeowners to know the exact cost of the rewiring project upfront, without having to worry about unexpected charges or hidden fees. This can help to build trust with the homeowner and increase the likelihood that they will choose your company for the rewiring project. Offer transparency by providing written documentation or estimates to support your recommendations and avoid misunderstandings. The documentation should include a detailed description of the scope of work, the materials to be used, the labor costs, and the permit fees. It is also helpful to provide homeowners with a timeline for the rewiring project so they know when to expect the work to be completed. Allow the homeowner to consider the information provided and make an informed decision. Do not pressure the homeowner to make a decision immediately. Give them time to weigh the pros and cons of rewiring and to consider their budget. If the homeowner chooses not to pursue a rewire, document your recommendations and the reasons why they were not accepted. This documentation can help to protect you from liability in the event of an electrical fire or other incident. Use a trusted third-party source, such as an electrical inspector, to provide an unbiased assessment. An electrical inspector can provide an objective evaluation of the electrical system and make recommendations for improving safety and code compliance. This can help to build trust with the homeowner and increase the likelihood that they will take your recommendations seriously. Be patient and understanding with the homeowner, even if they do not immediately agree with your recommendations. Rewiring a home can be a significant investment, and homeowners may have concerns about the cost, the disruption to their lives, and the potential for damage to their property. It is important to address these concerns with patience and understanding, and to provide homeowners with all of the information they need to make an informed decision. Building a relationship based on trust and expertise is essential for successful communication with homeowners. Take the time to listen to their concerns, answer their questions, and provide them with clear and helpful advice. By building a strong relationship with the homeowner, you can increase the likelihood that they will make an informed decision that protects their home and family. When addressing potential risks, explain that knob and tube wiring lacks a grounding conductor. Modern wiring includes a grounding conductor that provides a safe path for electricity to flow in the event of a fault, such as a short circuit. Without a grounding conductor, the risk of electric shock is significantly increased. Moreover, knob and tube wiring is often installed in concealed spaces, such as attics and walls, where it is difficult to inspect and maintain. This makes it more likely that problems will go unnoticed until they cause a fire or other hazard. It's crucial to emphasize that the code requirement for AFCI breakers is designed to protect against electrical fires, and that compliance with this requirement is essential for the safety of the home and its occupants. Electrical fires can cause significant damage and loss, and they can even be fatal. By complying with code requirements, homeowners can reduce the risk of electrical fires and protect their homes and families. Offer to provide a list of qualified electricians in the area who are experienced in rewiring homes with knob and tube wiring. This can help the homeowner to find a reputable contractor who can perform the work safely and effectively. It is also helpful to provide homeowners with information about financing options for rewiring projects. There are a number of government programs and private lenders that offer financing for energy efficiency improvements, including electrical rewiring. By providing homeowners with information about these options, you can make it easier for them to afford the cost of rewiring. Remember that it is essential to communicate clearly and professionally with the homeowner throughout the entire process. Use respectful language and avoid sounding condescending or accusatory. By building a relationship based on trust and expertise, you can increase the likelihood that the homeowner will make an informed decision that protects their home and family. First, it is important to understand the age of the home. Homes built before the 1950s were often wired with knob and tube wiring. Second, one must consider the condition of the existing wiring. Knob and tube wiring can deteriorate over time, increasing the risk of electrical fires. Third, examine the electrical load of the home. Modern homes often have a higher electrical load than homes wired with knob and tube wiring. Fourth, it is crucial to be aware of the local electrical codes. Local electrical codes may require homes with knob and tube wiring to be rewired.